Your consideration for fellow passengers is appreciated.
I think I'm on the wrong side. East Perth, I think this side. Yeah, I'm correct. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we're here at East Perth Station because I have no more videos and I need to film some videos. And if I don't film this week, I won't have a video. Even though I know the channel on the way out, most likely. We have 38 just over there.
This is East Perth.
And we just got off set 100. Hurricane and I've got 38 to hard because it's really pan. No sparks on the camera, not fun. 38 and 42. We'll fill the beat series once this train out here at the front. Photo. Bye bye. That's a very fun station because I also have the other platform that I'm able to film at. Yes, there's the other platform at East Perth. This phone's camera quality sucks.
Passengers, your next service.
Bye B series.
2 minutes. This service.
And we see a variety of trains. And unguarded, which is even better. I like especially up here, I'm fine. I chill around it. Like, oh my god, the train looks like it's about to derail.
Service starts in 2 minutes. This service runs full stops to Perth.
Damn, that was quick, bro. I think that was too quick. So it's a 2-car, so it's most likely an Ellenbrook train. Either that was a... Okay, that must have been the Ellenbrook train. This is the Midland train. It can't be the airport train because the airport trains are always operated by it's 3-car B series. And I'm gonna tag off and remember to tag back on. I'm just to start a new search. I know you're recording, so I will too. Touch off. I'll just work. Alright, now I'm not being. So this does not seem to be dual gauge. Like, I thought this station was dual gauge platform. I don't know why I thought it was a dual gauge platform. This one, because isn't this where the Prospector goes? Or maybe that's on foot, or maybe that's broad as well. And what am I cutting these? Why is it just like a Ellenbrook train here? It's like a batch of wooden sleepers. Set 89. Oh, cold. This end's got all the windows. Cold. I don't know why I thought it was dual gauge, but it's so cold down here. Then I thought it was like this, like narrow gauge. Just all the gauge differences. Like I know I'm being really geeky, and most people won't know the difference between standard, broad, and narrow. Sounds like that's really fast takeoff. Oh, yay. Okay, so I'm gonna leave here around 4, so we have like 30 minutes. So it's cold here. I'm saying that it's cold. I'm literally pacing around because the wind's coming from AC. A little 2-car. Hello there, my fellow Ace. My fellow train. I'm on a train, I don't know why I just said that. Hello, my fellow enthusiast. I don't know if train drivers know anything about trains. They're probably really dumb because they work in the train industry. Little 2-cars are funny. 40. 2-cars are the best, not gonna lie. 2 cars are... I think 2 cars are good on the Cannington shuttle. And because really the Cannington shuttle is just there for capacity. Like, instead of having a 15-minute service, it's a 7.5-minute service. Oh, that's probably not good for my phone. So I won't film a lot of stuff. I just want to get back. I'm going back to this. It's so cold on this end. Because there's sun on the other side, which makes it warmer. But this end will chill the north. And by the way, you're going to hear this throughout the entire video. This.
Your next service departs in 1 minute. Train stops all stations.
1 minute? What? What? Oh, nice. It's just... It's mixed. Clam. I'm going to go here where it says sun. Oh. I don't know why. There's the red, the red signal. Oh, okay, delayed. It's been delayed, so yippee, our services run either on time or they aren't really free. And my phone, my actual phone, is like rubbing on me. So it really hurts. Trans-WA luggage trolley. Don't know why that's here. We're not on the Trans-WA platform. I might actually move up there, but there's the lift. You're interrupting my filming. Can you tell the patient to like have like their whatever? I don't know if they're sick or something, but can you tell them to have to delay it, please? Like just after 4 maybe. B series entering platform. I think it's 1 and up airport line train 55. I think there's another train there, but I don't know for sure. Trains Perth does not take very good care of these trains. I think they need it. I think this train needs a good old wash. Like 23. Like 33 or 23. Departing with 2 trains departing. Another one departing. The city train departing.
Hi Wycombe passengers.
Why is this bit on
Your
my screen?
next service departs in 2 minutes. This service stops all stations to High Wycombe.
Anyway, kids, I'm getting a new phone on the channel within a couple months. I know I've said so many times, but I just keep being too lazy to get it. I'm too lazy to get it. Unfortunately, I have to go get the phone. And it's an S22 Ultra, so similar to this phone. Where is it? I like to. There's my phone. First, I don't like showing my wallpaper. It's really embarrassing and cringy, but there you go. You can see it. I've shown it. There's my wallpaper. I have the transfer height link. I need to put that to the PTV app now. Got the filming camera. As you can see, PTV. I don't live in Melbourne, and I'm not showing you my card numbers.
This service stops all stations to Perth.
It's really slow. I don't know why it works in Perth, because I can catch that train over there to get the Trans-WA Car 4. Could you turn the heater off on the platform, please, and turn off the air conditioner? It's really cold. And I don't know if the camera's picking up the amount of wind. Look at that! It's my handle shaking. The first ever B series is arriving. These trains are really reliable and are the most common trains on the Perth fleet, and it's a privilege to see the old one because you don't really see this one too often. I don't. It mainly operates here. I've not seen it on the cross city in ages. And also a weird quirk about Trans-Perth trains that people from like Melbourne would not like understand. Our trains don't have mirrors. Like, if you pull up a photo like some of the older trains, like the Com engine, HMT, all those old, not HMT, you know what I mean, but like these panda rifle these trains sound like they're dying. 49. We don't have mirrors. We use the actual station cameras. Actually, this is the security. We use those cameras like there. This other cameras are out where somewhere on the platform. You can tell this platform has been rebuilt. It was rebuilt in 2017, so it's nice and new. And I don't know why this light bulb looks like it's faded so badly. Which means because it's old, not even like a little bit. Just before we got new signs, we still have these old ones, and they're actually really looking a bit crusty. They're looking very crusty. So this station is a lot more action-packed than my other videos have been. I'm getting bus content. I have to plan my bus content because my bus content is really voice. It's really just voice and briefly spotting at the train stations. East Perth, and you haven't even drink any of the B11. I mean, I know B11 operate here for Trans-WA. I know that. I took a walk. I remember someone that I know used to work at Trans-WA, and I just took a guess. They're Volvos. Set 18 with a really no destination display. I said B11 are Eloise, and they're correct. 222! 2! It's just 2! It's just 2! It's now 322. I've never seen those stay. Never seen those lights on an A series. I've never seen that. I've never. You just don't see them. I haven't seen them. Well, at least in like a few years. Like me, like, what the hell? You can tell the A series are starting to show their age. They look a lot older. The Com engines in Melbourne that came around at the same time, even the Kangaroos look a little bit more. The Kangaroos it's got a similar look to the A series. I don't know. I can just see a one. Stop it. This one's going to be a temporary film, so I'm going to turn into be almost a permanent one. Can't see it. It's not reflective. I hate stuff that's not reflective. Well, it also shows my face. I don't want to show my face on YouTube. And there's also a flip camera button. My phone doesn't have that. Must be. So that's the phone. It's an S20. Oh, that was not very smart of me. I have a second speed. The first ever time I went to the airport, on the airport line, it was on this train, I think. Either that or 122. I'm not too sure. I think it was 124. I will find that out, and I will put it in the thingy, the caption there, if I remember, in editing. Because fun fact, my videos are really, I don't edit them, it's not on the day, I edit them in the future. So, but if you didn't know that, that's my editing procedure. Edit them when you feel ready. Again, another dirty train. These trains can get really graffitied on the side with like people touching them. Oh, and a Perth round, 53. All these trains are really dirty, and that one is really bad condition. I only just began putting, like less than 6 months ago, when I was like really only starting. I'm checking the time. It's been 15 minutes in the video. I'm probably gonna leave it like stop filming soon. Eventually, hope not soon, like 10 minutes or something. These have gotten refurbished and already looking like they need another one. That light's heavily faded on that side. Get a new light transfer at $10 on eBay. Like our B series compared to like Melbourne, like I'll compare it to a Siemens Nexus. Siemens Nexus, it'll run the same size as fleet. Actually, I think it's the same. I'll compare them to a Siemens Nexus because they've got around the same size fleet. The Siemens Nexus is from Melbourne, was brought in from 2002 and 2005 during privatisation, and had really bad brakes, and was brought in by M-Train, had majority of the railway network, but are the rarest fleet, funnily, the rarest train in Australia. I'm gonna tag back on. I'll leave you to tag. Tag on, okay. $16.85. CP. The old Perth station was really funny. And I think they need to refurbish this platform over here next. Really cold. I'm gonna make this shaded at 3:50, so soon, and I'll end the video on heading back to Perth last one. This I can put. So yeah, if you want more stuff on Melbourne Transport, let me know, because I know too much. Unfortunately, I don't live in Melbourne. Damn it! I need to move there. Not there. I hate this. I hate the city. Welcome to Perth. More like a punishment. The only reason you would actually come to Perth is like work, or you need to get to the international airport. At B3 then train. So 5 minutes. I'm gonna catch the next B series. 91. He went like posing to the camera. 91 driver on the, I think, Claremont service at East Herb at 3:45 PM. Shout out to that driver. I don't know the driver's name. It makes me want to take more photos of this train just for the fun. I'm going to use that. Luckily I did take a photo. I don't know if my phone picked that up. It's fun. You meet bad drivers. I've had a lot of bad drivers and good drivers. All drivers are good. They're good at their job, but this camera-wise I'm talking about, like, they're professional and fun at the same time, and not professional and what? Probably yellow signal. Yeah, probably. Oh, it's a green signal up there. Why are we going so slow at the platform? What the hell? It's a green signal up there. A3 then train, so I'm not catching that train. I'm assuring you, I'm catching the next B series. So I don't want to. I rode a B series here. I always ride A series in these videos. I want to change it up and ride a B series. Doesn't sound very good.
Departs in 2 minutes. This service stops all stations to Perth.
Alright, I might actually just have some time for myself. After this A series apart, so I've cut the cameras. I don't really. I've 20-minute video. That's my normal size of video. Not size length, I should say. But yeah. After this A series apart, I'll say I'll do the outro. 26:10 adjacent. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Sticky. Really bad job of whoever did that. Bye.